everybody. This is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs, and I'm back with another episode. So, for the past few days, Thea Render's online repository has been down. You're not able to access it through here anymore, through your Thea browser. So, the best thing to do is to load up your materials, and you can go to the website and download some of those. And you should already have materials downloaded just in case something like this happens. But let me just walk you through how to do that. So here we're on theorender.com, and under resources you can find a series of packs. You have brick walls, exterior pavements, wall finishes, worker library, and let me see what I already have. I know I have brick walls. Let's see. Let's see. I don't have wall finishes, so let's download wall finishes. And for this, you have to have Thea Render Studio to accept these packages to load onto your Thea Render SketchUp software. So let's go ahead and download. You'll get this here. You have the download. You just double click it. It should go right into your Thea Studio. Like I said, you have to have Thea Studio downloaded in order to accept this. So you accept the license, click, check, and then you just go back here. And sometimes you may have to refresh, but a lot of times it'll just pop up for me. See, it was wall finishes, right? Yeah. So let's just refresh and see if it works. And sometimes you have to restart. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so just hit refresh. Just right click materials, hit refresh, and it'll pop up down here. And here it is, wall finishes. So just like I said, just go to Thea Render. Make sure you have a bunch of backup, you know, packages and files just in case something like the online repository going out, it doesn't hurt you or it doesn't slow down your work process. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like.